Yates Dynamic Lifter plant food pellets for roses and flowers is specially blended to promote healthy and abundant roses and flowers. It contains fast-acting and slow-release nutrients to feed roses and flowering plants for up to 2 months. Yates Dynamic Lifter Roses and Flowers is boosted with nitrogen for stronger growth, extra phosphorus for longer roots, and is high in potassium for abundant blooms. And the added iron promotes healthier plants and flowers. Use Dynamic Lifter Roses and Flowers when planting new roses and flowers and to feed established and potted flowering plants. Mix into the soil when planting new roses and flowering plants, and reapply around the root zone of established plants every 6 to 8 weeks to keep them well fed and promote healthy soil. Water in well after applying. For healthy and flourishing roses and flowers, use Yates Dynamic Lifter plant food pellets for roses and flowers.